Salutations.
You know something? You guys suck.
It's a possibility.
You guys suck balls.
It's a possibility.
I'm jealous of a bunch of ball suckers. So what? I'm touching babies. Real peachy babies. You know something? Kids, they get real scared. So what? He's a kid. He has balls. Hey, I'm touching kids.
I think he masturbates.
You're a real dumbass.
Oh, thanks. Hey.
It's romping time.
Well, you can do what you like. I didn't know he'd take it so hard.
I don't want to hear another word about ours.
You said it.
Sparta!
We're gonna go out and find the exam master.
Well, how exactly would you propose we're gonna do that exactly?
Yeah. What?
Well, how exactly would you propose we're gonna do that exactly?
Yeah. What?
How exactly would you propose we're gonna...
Oh, come off it. You're insane.
Why, if only we were all wieners. Wieners.
You're all insane. I just know I'm gonna regret this.
Yeah!
Help me! Help me all!
Light shines like a diamond in the city at night. When that diamond shines, you know that everything's all right.
Hey, everybody! Look!
Things could be worse, you know.
How?
How what?
How could they be worse?
Wieners.
Four? I just slipped in.
Love you.
Great! I'll grab my stuff!
He's taking some old stuff.
Aha!
Toast!
It's a possibility.
Shut up, shut up!